Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Extreme Skin install for my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Want to give a huge shout out to Extreme Skins. They sent me a few different skins that I could choose from for this install that I get to share with all of you. All the information to purchase a skin from Extreme Skins will be down below in the description area. I'm going to speed up the video a little bit to show you the different skins that I received in this very nice, simple packaging. I'm going to choose one to put on my S25 Ultra, and that part of the video will be sped up as well. I'll add in some music for your entertainment. I will be using a rubbery pad to help keep my S25 Ultra in place. This is something that you can choose to use or not. You'll just have to find something around the house that you have, whatever it takes to help keep your S25 Ultra in place. You'll have to provide your own microcloth. As far as the alcohol prep wipe, you'll actually get that in the packaging. And you'll need a blow dryer, and that is to heat up the adhesive on the back of the skin so it adheres. It sticks to the back of your S25 Ultra. I think that's it. So what I'm going to do is show you all the skins, and then I'm going to go right into the application of the skin that I choose. One more thing as far as the blow dryer, make sure that when you're using it, you're moving the heat around. You don't want to leave in one place for a long period of time. That can damage your S25 Ultra. And with that, let's do this. Really happy in how this came out. Super bold, super sexy. Little extra something for my S25 Ultra. I didn't mention this at the beginning of the video, but please do yourself a favor and do the XtremeSkin install, whatever it is that you purchase, when you have a quiet moment, when you're not going to be interrupted. I would suggest doing it near bedtime. That way the skin can sit for at least 24 hours before applying a case. Because if you try to put on a case right away, you could peel off the top, bottom, and side strips, and that's obviously a concern. 24 hours allows for the adhering process, the sticking process, and then, well, be very patient and gentle with putting on whatever case that you're going to put on, preferably a clear case so you can see that extra something. Now, I was going to use the Rinky Fusion, but then you wouldn't be able to see the sides, top and bottom. Great case though. Go check out the review. This is the clear case that I have, well, that I can find for right now. You got that frosted top, bottom, and sides, clear on the back, the Covert 7 from Ghost Tech.
Okay, so take my time. Take my time. We'll start down at the bottom. And I want to be able to that little corner was going to come back up again. But once I put this case on, I'm going to leave it on, and trust me, it'll help with the adhering process. And it's going to stay on for a couple days. I like to change out my cases a lot.
So yeah, it's going to stay on for a couple days, and by the time I take it off, that corner will be set in place as far as the sticking process. That right there looks savage, brutal. You got that metallic red lip surrounding the camera areas, the brushed gold skin. You can see the brushed gold through that top, bottom frosted sides. Yeah, that is nice. That is nice. Now, you can't completely see it, obviously, but I'm digging the color scheme here. With the black ring, yeah, that is bold. Okay, I'm going to end the video. It's a lot of information. Take your time, folks. Be patient. Again, find a quiet time before bed. Let it sit for 24 hours. Put on a case. Take your time. Don't forget everything that you need for the install as far as the XtremeSkin that you choose. This guy here, move it around. Don't leave that heat in one area too long. And with that, if there are any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. XtremeSkins, thank you so much for